Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Park Tech YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn about how to put an image on the background of Tkinter GUI. So Tkinter is a built-in tool within the Python so that we can make some sort of GUIs within this tool. So we will import two packages from two libraries. From Tkinter import static. From Tkinter means that from the Tkinter library we need to import all the things because static simply means that whatsoever we want to import we can, okay, or all the functions and methods are exposed to our programming window, okay. So from Tkinter import star, and from pil is another library, import image tk comma image. So these two are the functions from this pil library. Now after import of two libraries, we need to go for our GUI making, and that is we have to first declare a variable. Variable is simple like anything, any word you can write anything here, even one alphabet like M, A, B, C or anything will act as a variable here on left hand side here. So we have written master as a variable. Now this is a variable, master is equal to tk. So tk is our built-in function of Tkinter library, and it will create one GUI for us. And because we have equalized this library to a variable, that is the master variable, so all of our attributes and all the properties are now like are being inserted into this variable, that is the master. After this thing we need to give the title of this GUI, so we will write master.title. Okay, it is our title or project. Okay, we will just write project. So this is our title of our GUI. Now we have to write one more variable, that is called as image underscore 0 is equal to. Now we will, for what we have declared this variable, because we want to insert all the image, all the information and data regarding image into this variable. So how we can do it? We have one built-in function that is called as image.open, and within the parentheses we need to give the link of our image. Image is the submodule of library pil, and open is the function that lies within the image submodule, and open function will open the file for us, like the file of image. So we will go for like where is our image? We will go for E drive. Okay, so we will go to E drive, we will go for like here okay, FP grow plant yard, and here we have soil fertility meter. So we will go to its properties, we will copy its link, control C. Again we need to go to here, paste it link, place one slash, and after the placing of slash we need to go to copy the name and type of this meter. Okay, so we write this and .jpg. Okay, one more thing, that you need to write the double slashes rather than single slashes. Okay, so this is our image. Now we need to run it out. Okay, they said no such file or directory .jpg. Okay, so okay, wait, let me see it properly, that either is there any sort of like problem. Okay, jpeg we have to rectify. One more thing, image dot open and colon slash. Okay, Okay, now we need to run it out. Okay, now it is actually JPEG rather than JPG, so we have written the extension wrong. After this thing, we have to go for the next step, and that is to define another variable. So whatsoever you want to write here, it will act as a variable. So we need to write pck underscore end, that is backend, and it is variable. You can write anything here. What it needs to do is to that whatsoever we will perform on the right hand side of this is equal to it will like this assignment operator will assign all the things to this variable, that is backend. So we will go for like image tk, image tk, this is our image tk dot photo image dot photo image underscore 0, image underscore 0. So now what is this function, or this is submodule image tk from pil library, and dot photo image is the function of this submodule. It will take this image, and it will then store all the things that whatsoever done, because these two functions used to perform some sort of action on this parameter, that is image underscore 0, and then they will give it to the back underscore and variable. Okay, now we will write master.geometry, because we have to define the length and width of our GUI. Master.geometry, so we have written 800 cross 600, 800 cross 600. Okay, wait, master bed geometry specifier, they said 800 cross 600. Okay, we have to write a cross rather than static. Okay, so it is right now 800 is the length and 600 is the width of our GUI. Now we will put the two labels. Label mean that which are like labels are just like the title, subtitles and text. Okay, so label LBL is our first variable. So with the help of this variable, we will make one label. So we will write label label, and after it we will write master comma image is equal to bck underscore gnd. Okay, sorry, end rather than gnd. So it is, why it is so, because what it will shows, actually label is our built-in function of our Tkinter GUI. It will create label, but where? On the master GUI. Okay, master is the name of our GUI, and image is equal to back underscore, and we have to write, or we have to insert the image which is inside the backend variable. Okay, now if we use to write lbl dot place, because we also need to place it at a proper place, lbl dot place x equal to 0, y is equal to 0, because we don't want to like translate this or move on x-axis or y-axis. So that is why we have mentioned x equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. Okay, after it we need to write master dot main loop, master dot main loop, and like this. Okay, so now you can see that our background images here. So obviously we have to place, if you want to place some other things on it, we can. Okay, so let place the second label if you want. Okay, we can even place some button, but still it is okay. We can place label lbl2 is equal to label master comma text is equal to master comma text is equal to like hello world. So we will write hello project. So So here you can see the title is our what's called as the project. Okay, we also need to pick this label as well. Okay, so label 2 dot peg, we have to do label 2 dot peg function is actually used for to like hold the label on specific location. Okay, label 2 dot peg, and we need to write in its parameters label 2 dot peg parameters p@dy is equal to 50. That is, if you want to move it y-axis on like because it needs to like make some sort of difference between one widget and other widget, so that is why we used to write paid y and all this. So okay, now you can see that our hello project is written there. So even you can make some of your functions, some of your widgets on this GUI, but as this is for just to ensure the background for the Tkinter GUI, so you can make your background GUI with the help of this. So hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.